If your phone is not allowing you to rotate like this and change from landscape to portrait and portrait to landscape, hopefully what I show you in this video is going to help you fix that. Incidentally, if you want to know how to put a cool border on your photos like that, I've got another video for that. I'll link to that in the description down below. So the first thing you want to check if your apps are not auto-rotating is that under the swipe down menu in the top of your iPhone, this setting is unlocked, as in not turned on. This is the portrait orientation lock. So if that's turned on, then the phone won't rotate as you rotate it. If you don't see this icon here to turn it on and off, just tap this little plus up here. Then tap on Add a Control. Find that lock icon from this list, and then you can add it to this screen. Mine's not going to be on that list because it's here. So that's how we can add that option to this pull-down menu. If that does not fix the rotation issue, then the next thing you should do is confirm that this is happening on multiple apps, or it might be happening on just one app. If it's happening on just one app, something you can try is just swipe up from the bottom until all the apps are in a tray like this, and then just swipe up to close the app. And then restart it, see if that unlocked the auto rotation. If you have an older iPhone with a home button, a physical button, just double tap that button, then the apps will go into this tray, and then you can just swipe up to close them from there. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing you can do, this is a little more drastic, but under settings and general, there we are right there. If we scroll down to the very bottom, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. If you tap on reset, it will reset all the settings on your phone. It should keep all your data. I would back up everything before you try this. It should keep all your data and everything and just reset the settings of your phone. This option down here erases all content and settings, so don't tap that one. But this reset should be just the settings on your phone. But again, back up your phone first. Just in case something goes wrong, it's great to have a backup. And then that should reset all the settings. And then hopefully that will fix the auto lock rotation. If you have value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to double the life of your iPhone battery. It's great to have batteries that last longer. And that video with just 6 settings is going to help you do that. I'll see you there.